50 grand.
50 grand. Yeah. So let me tell you something. Hold on. You see that video here? I want a ninja man.
Yeah.
So much money my friend of my game give me ninja man. Let me tell you something, little old ginger man. You see for the rest of the year then, you are going to turn in a skillion and time and selling a coronation. So I want you to understand, ninja man, don't diss lane. If you're discipline promotion, you diss me. Ninja man, why you run from like a baby Gully back? Tell me the God truth, ninja man. I'm not talking about the video. Why you run from baby back? You want like a baby in my youth. Why you running from me? You kill every DJ in your life. You kill DJ bad class everywhere. I want like a DJ come up and you just see them and you're afraid of him. You're afraid of him for ninja man. And I'm afraid of him. It's my two front teeth. Two front yeah, man.
Linkage award show.
Eh?
Linkage award show.
I tell him to link with the award show. I'm going to get next year, April, I'm going to it live. When I say live, I'm going to it live and I'm going to it dead. Talk about things them. Right now, you see when them come here, look. People are telling me as born about some vampire, and let me tell you something. I don't want the two teeth man this way now, something, a blood out of a girl neck. Let me tell you something. I can't pop out my teeth them, and Monday coming, somebody gonna plant back my teeth.
April.
I didn't think I pop out my teeth.
Yeah.
Me don't have meat if I can't go on. So a boy can't diss the program, and me not play face to waste. First of all, original country bop, aka stand alone. If any man want to test me, come and sting. Every DJ me call up and sting them around. Because alkaline and run are going to foreign. Me not trouble family because the whole of win a link camp. I'm good looking youth.
Don't tell me DJ Gage.
Me love popcorn. Who is the man of trouble?
Don't tell me DJ Gage.
Gage.
Speed
Gage. Me not trouble, me career young. Like you see. And ninja man me want. I want to crab him up like cat. I'm another big fool ninja man. I can't talk about me and him in a class. Oh, me and ninja man be in a class. And ninja man can't spell cow. And he can't spell donkey. He can't spell larky. He can't spell kinarchy. And me ever use some big word I don't even know the meaning like. About tongue quality. I hear that him talk from 1992 until now, you know. Don't perplex my tongue quality. Tell him change him talk.
Ninja man no rough like me.
And nobody like me. Ninja man can't freestyle like me. Ninja man can't read like me. Ninja man can't spell like me. Ninja man can't stop him baby mother like me. Him can't out of belly like me. Like she real love for me about she want people. How ninja man nobody like me. And first of all I tell ninja man to me no RAMP. Tell ninja man come TEST. If you afraid with J from bus in BET, make him run go FRET. Call him mommy and him DAD. Call him Passy him GANG. Come and Pegasus like him is BAD. That is what get me to MAD. Me run go win them for me SLUG. And come back and fire some SHOT. Just like the cover believe the KID. But a to kill ONE. The man bad like me. Mad. I'm going to tell you a story again. It's like MONKEY that a monkey. It fear one ninja man, it don't fear me. And DONKEY that a donkey. And that they get ninja man and fuck a country. That's why the boy could have never perplex me. You must be mad. They think ninja sick like me.
Country.
I'm going to take them.
You feel me now before there?
Now DJ Linkage. And them a play me all over the world. England, Canada, America, everywhere DJ Linkage. I wanna play me. I wanna big up Gully Bop tune them. I wanna hear we are going. The best radio station in the world. The TV, the best station in the world. Because they endorse me. Brr, but if a girl want to walk off of me, stop fucking cross.